Today, I'll show you how to fix PayPal. We can't send your money right now. First, open the PayPal app on your phone or go to PayPal in your browser. Sign in using your email address or mobile number and password. This error usually means PayPal cannot complete the payment at that moment. It can happen because of a security check, account limitation, payment method issue, unconfirmed account detail, or a problem with the recipient. Start by checking your PayPal notifications. Look for any alert on the home screen, bell icon, or message center. If PayPal asks you to confirm your identity, verify your email, confirm your bank, or fix an account issue, complete that step first. PayPal's Help Center says payments may be declined if your account is limited, your email or bank is not confirmed, your card details are outdated, or PayPal needs a security check. Next, go to Wallet. Check the card, bank account, or balance you are trying to use. Make sure the card is not expired, the billing address is correct, and the bank or card is confirmed. If the payment method looks wrong, remove it and add it again, or choose a different payment method. Now check the recipient details. Make sure you entered the correct PayPal email address, mobile number, or username. Also, ask the recipient if their PayPal account is active and fully set up. If you are trying to send a large amount, try a smaller amount first. PayPal may block a transfer if it is above your account limit or if the transaction looks unusual. For transfer errors, PayPal recommends checking limits, resolving account issues, or trying a different bank or card. If you are using a VPN, turn it off and try again. Also, try logging out, closing the app, updating PayPal, and signing in again. If you are using a browser, clear your cache or try another browser. If the error still appears, wait and try again later. Sometimes PayPal blocks a payment temporarily for security review. Do not keep repeating the same failed transaction many times because that may trigger more security checks. If nothing works, contact PayPal support through the official app or website. Open Help, choose Contact Us, and explain that you are getting the message, "We can't send your money right now." So, to keep it simple, check alerts, confirm your account, update your payment method, verify the recipient, try a smaller amount, avoid VPNs, and contact PayPal if the problem continues. And that's how you fix PayPal. We can't send your money right now. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.